Hi everybody, and welcome to our first ever YouTube video about lockpicking. Today we went to the dollar store and picked up some candidates that we think are going to be interesting. What's funny about these ones is the price, first of all, is like $3, $2. It's a combination lock. We picked up a combination lock just for good measure. These ones here, they're even bigger and they're $2 each. They have some interesting keys. We'll show you them later. I have with me my 10-year-old son Nicholas here.
Hello.
Just for to show you that we've been practicing on some other locks. There's this one here, a really cheap, simple lock. This one here is a bit more difficult. And Nicholas here has a master lock,
Which is extremely easy to pick.
and he's going to give you a demonstration.
That took a bit longer than I thought. Usually I open it in around 2-4 seconds. Yeah.
All right, so we're using just a Sparrow's competitor lock-picking set that I got a few days ago. We're just using raking and bouncing methods to open these because they don't even require manual picking. So go ahead, Nicholas, and grab one of the...
These are...
Yeah, sure. Show us the keys.
Wait, they put the keys on the lock?
That's usually how they package them. Notice how we're opening the packaging fresh. We've never tried to pick these before, so let's see how difficult they are. Show us the keys. Now those are some weird looking keys. Now these, what the funny thing about all these locks is they say on the package, heavy duty protection, secure here. Yep. They say that on every one of them. So let's see how secure these are.
Well, first to open it.
You're gonna have to pick it.
Okay.
So that looks like a pretty big keyway on there. Yeah. And Nico's using a rake here.
This is very loose inside, by the way.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Like, you have space to move around.
Mm-hmm.
A little hard for my second, but this is my first time picking this. You don't have to turn this entire... Ooh, I'll do it anyway. There's something wrong with it. It's like a master lock. I'm reading the bottom of this. I say the bottom, definitely, because I can read the bottom. This is a lot of space. Opens it. This is pretty spacious, and here's a little problem. Because everybody wants to move at all places, so I have to keep it nice. Yeah.
Sure. Here you go.
Very spacious, right?
This is actually more difficult than I expected. That's surprising. Those keys look pretty good.
I'm surprised they can even open the lock. Usually how you open them, like, at the first thing.
That's turn.
Oh.
I'm not really sure why that thing turns. That's interesting.
Because it's so spacious.
That's really different. That is that for.
I guess they are heavy duty security, whatever it says on there. Heavy duty protection.
Interesting. What is in there? Not there. Well, got keys.
Oh, you can off like that.
That's right.
I forgot that keychains can do that.
That's easier. Mm-hmm. Oh, here's some keys.
They really are.
So it wasn't that bad. And it doesn't work.
I told her I'd be surprised if they even open. You know, it's right here because... Like...
Let's see what we can do here. not sure this you don't go anywhere. This is interesting. Weird design.
I thought it would go like just there. It would just open right off the bat.
It's a really weird design. Should be easy to open. I'm not quite sure how this works. Doesn't look anything very fancy.
Maybe we can't break it.
Should be tensioner.
Let's look. It's pretty secure. It's surprising because when I bought them, I thought like I already thought you were going to just open. I just like it open, but this is a very weird.
This orientation? No, that's not this orientation.
So why does that work? Why does the screw go the other way? Which is really weird because
I just talked about shit. So I'm just going to mark out around this.
No.
I don't have these metal fit in there, unfortunately. I got machines in there. You know what? Let's get some other. That's so strange. I'm surprised. It's interesting.
secure.
All right, let's try another one that has actual regular key to it.
Well, they show you like
We'll get back to that one. Scissors.
they show you like what the pattern of the pins are. If you look at the back, you can see the pins and how they're placed, which could help picking the lock.
All right, $3 high security lock. We have keys on this one.
That are actually real, and there's 3 keys instead of 2.
So let's see if we can just pop it open. And get those keys off of there.
It's a very small hole.
It's not bad.
I mean, we have one that's, I think, small. It's another secure one. It's not, it's colored.
This rake is pretty big with this tension bar in there.
More of the story, don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, no kidding.
These secure locks are more secure than I thought.
Makes for good practice.
Mm-hmm.
I can really feel the tension bar wanting to open this one, so maybe I'm sure I'm turning the right way.
Oops, I slipped.
Like the tension bar just like that's like turning. Maybe I'm not turning the right way, but I'm pretty sure I am. Who knows? These are made in China, so maybe they turn the other way.
We have a no-name made in China one.
Nah, it turns the other way.
Yeah.
Like right there, it already slipped. I don't know why it's getting stuck.
Because it's a pretty small hole, too.
Mm-hmm.
So it's harder to fit both in at the same
Try
time.
just the hook and see what happens. That'll actually be worse. Well, it looks like this one would probably be faster if you just manually picked it.
We got it open.
There we go. With a hook.
By the way, these are not, the pins aren't like 2 sides. They're on one side on this one, and there's 6 of them. That's what it shows on the thing. It shows that there's, oh no, there's 5. There's 5 and, yeah. There's 5 and they're all in one line. So
You want to try it?
yeah.
I did it with the hook.
This in. Which way? Like this or like this?
I would flip it around.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
This is pretty fun. Not sure if it's very easy to pick right. So if you want to practice, you might want to start out with, because you're not going to try these. You don't want to try picking locks. You don't want to try like these secure locks, because they're more secure than both thought. Not very good with the hook. I wish you could do it this way, but you have to do like certain swipes. I think I should use this one. Because these are very like not spaced apart. These two keys. They're not spaced apart. Oh, that's a big. Trying to get this big. Oh.
I need to go first. There you go.
Oh, got it.
Nice. Good job. Good.
They're hard, but also easy. You just have to get the right patterns
Yeah.
of when you're doing it.
You just have to get used to it. All right, open another one. Let's try the other one. Same model.
Just the different. Same model.
Packaging is harder to open than the locks.
It's not easy, but it's not hard, so. There we go.
All right.
Same model.
Mm-hmm.
Same model.
Give it a try.
Yep. This.
Other way, yep. There you go.
And this. Let the tension for a bit.
Never tried picking this one. Just opened it. And there you go. That took only a few seconds this time. And that one popped right open.
It actually did. Wait, let me. Oops.
Careful.
Let me try this again. Like, it seemed pretty easy. Let me reset. No, you can't.
And there you go.
These are not secure. Don't put this on your shed.
These ones here are more secure because they just have weird keys and we don't understand how their mechanism works. Here, try this one. I think that one's going to be a breeze as well.
It's almost like the same thing. It's a secure lock, by the way.
So they say.
If you're wondering, it's the same. Well, I feel like because it says secure and it's the same.
Does that one have normal keys?
Yes, it does. Well, kind of normal.
Yeah.
I'll try it with just this first, because look. Wait, no, it's like this. Or is it like this? Oh, this one. kind of fits in that way, but I think I'll need a very thin tension lock.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one here will probably work.
Yeah.
There we go.
Wait, wait. Oops. Wait, that one was too easy. You just have to put the tension lock in there. The tension ball.
What? No.
And then you just have to do this. Fit it in. Wiggle it around. Like this. Well, last time it opened really easy.
Mm-hmm.
This time it's not opening anymore. Right. Done. Again.
Nice. Good
So
job.
these are very small keys. These keys can open this one. Don't worry, this is not a scam.
So what's up with these ones?
I don't know.